Hey guys, so I wanted to let you know I've been working on a bit of a passion project of mine over the last, actually it's been like 12 months in the making, but I've really been focusing on it in the last few months. It's an online education course for financial advisors and accountants. It's called The Art of Estate Planning, and it's all about teaching those practical tips on how to have estate planning conversations that work. So I'm a little bit nervous about putting this out there because it's a bit sort of weird as an estate planning lawyer to be sharing all of my secrets about estate planning, but I really believe that there's a problem with access to quality and affordable estate planning in Australia at the moment. And the best way to improve that is to leverage existing advisor relationships. Most financial advisors and accountants see their clients way more than lawyers, and I really feel like it makes total sense for financial advisors to be getting involved in estate planning as well. I've seen when I was running an online estate planning solution that advisors can use it to build trust with their clients, to get peace of mind and to create extra revenue from their existing client base. So I've put together a course that sets out all of my tips and tricks for talking estate planning, everything that I think you need to know to get an estate planning offering going in your business. And hopefully I've made it fun and interesting and fresh and tried to make estate planning interesting. So if you feel like this might be something that could add value to your business, head on over to my website. There's a heap more information there about what the course is involved and the value that it can add to your business. And hopefully you can use it to start having estate planning conversations that work.